guys, it's Melissa. Welcome back to Practically Creative. Today I want to talk about something content creators need to do, and that is take the win. We are all out here busting our butts, putting up great content, trying to make sure that what we do is entertaining and valuable to other people. And we live and die by that subscriber number and by our watch time. And it can make you crazy looking at those numbers all the time. So what I'm going to tell you is take the win. Look at your stuff and don't look at the subscriber numbers. Don't look at the watch time. Look at how many views you're getting. I get incredible numbers on my shorts videos. Over 1,000, sometimes over 2,000 or 3,000. And what they all have in common is that there's a little bit of humor in there. You can see I'm having fun when I make those videos. And I sometimes record them 5, 6, 8 times trying to get something that I think is funny and cute and applicable for people to see. And then I put out videos like the tote bag video that I put out earlier this week. And that tote bag video got, a few watches. But I'm going to take the win for it. I did a great video. I think the tote bag video is great. I get great responses to my shorts. I get good responses to my longer form videos. And I've watched a few of those channels where they say, oh, do this, do that. You'll get, tons of subscribers and stuff. I don't know that I really want tons of subscribers. I'm still trying to learn how to do things and get to where I want to be. So I really am kind of content where I'm at right now. I would like the subscribers, I won't lie, but I'm content with the pace that I'm growing at. I've gained 50 subscribers in the last month or so. I've gotten some really nice shout outs from various people who are way more successful than I am. And I appreciate those so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I try to give shout outs to people that I know who are trying to build their channels as well. But take the win. Take the stuff that's, that's happening for you. I have made some really good friends through YouTube, and I really enjoy them. And last week, Colleen at Colleen Sews and Chats hit me with a challenge to put up 25 videos in a day. That wasn't happening. But I've put up 25 videos since she gave me that challenge. This one is number 25, actually. And I've had a good time doing it. I have lists of things that I wanted to make. Not all of them happened because time and getting it edited and getting it up on a video, it takes some time if you want to do it and do it well. And I'm trying to do better on every video than I did on the last one. But I've had a good time doing it, and creativity breeds creativity. I made a list of, what could I do for 25 videos in a short period of time. And I bet I've done 6 of them, and everything else that I've put up has been inspired by something else. This video itself is actually inspired by a video Colleen put up earlier. So if you're out there, you're a small YouTube channel, you're struggling to get noticed, just keep doing what you do. Be yourself, put out good content, and, watch some research videos on what works and what doesn't work. But don't let yourself get all stressed out over that number. That number is not your popularity score. That number just says, okay, these people have decided to subscribe to your channel. And I took a hint from someone who's got 100K subscribers, Tracy at the Sewing Channel. She said she stopped asking people to subscribe. She puts out good content. She puts her subscribe button at the end of the video, but she's not asking for it. And she's not asking for the likes. So I've quit doing that. I just don't feel like it's something that I need to do. I appreciate it when you hit the like. I appreciate it when you hit the dislike, because that just shows YouTube that you're engaged with me. And hopefully you like my content and you come back and watch more videos. But that's my tips for content creators today. Take the win, enjoy what you're doing, have a good time, And thanks for watching. Bye, guys.